Good morning. Yesterday was 88 rising. So I woke up at like what? 11:30.
Yeah,
everybody else is out by like 10.
We called him at least 17 times this morning.
Right now we're just at a coffee shop waiting for Abarnath to finish his business call. And Nick's doing work.
Fuck you.
And me and Kevin, we have nothing else to do because we're both.
Kevin's doing work too. So what do you want to do while we wait?
Should I? No, there's really a spider web out here. It's really a spider web. This is some artsy shit. Kevin's like the dark and Abarnath is the light.
Abarnath's on his way to work on some pharmaceutical shit right now.
After 5 hours of looking for parking, finally found parking, and now we're gonna go eat KBBQ.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Abarnath D. We're heading over to get some KBBQ. Yeah.
Look at this. Final order. I'm gonna cook it. I'm gonna cook it for you, Nick. Yum, 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 yum. Are you aged? Are you hungry? Damn. Abarnath really chefed it up, eh?
Eat that, eat it. Nice. Can we get a fork for this guy? Are we gonna order sausage?
Yeah, we ordered one.
Almost Brad. Should we order more, boys? That's the moneymaker right there.
I don't know if I really like
The beef rib.
sausage.
That's the money right there. The sodium and the grease in my face.
The jawline is on, the blow is
Update. It's raining.
Kevin's trying to beat
Kevin's
Jalen's score.
Kevin's trying to beat my younger 10-year-old sister, her high score, so that's fun. Where is it?
F as in Frank.
F as in Frank. Where is it? Nico. Faz in Frank. What are you scoping? He's something scoping. Everything's like pretty cheap here.
That's perfect. This goes with your monster sticker that you got yesterday. I'm not gonna lie, Justin, this would actually be a sick photo spot here. Okay, stop. You're not wearing that.
Oh, come on, bro. This is where all their fresh gear is. This is where all the fresh gear is. So we didn't end up buying anything from F's and Frank's because it's a bit over budget.
So Kevin had the opportunity, the ball was going into the hoop.
Why you have to go in front of the car?
And he clicks too many times, and so he tied. Oh, Kevin, he beat the high score.
I'm running with it. I'm running with it.
Ah! What was it? Let's see it. 97.
You gotta learn your lesson. Jalen.
Kevin. Oh! You have to say to Jalen.
Happy birthday, Jalen. Paul.
Where are we at right now?
We're at Uniqlo.
At Uni who?
Uniqlo.
Unibrow?
Uniqlo.
So we're at Unibrow.
Uniqlo clothing. Uniqlo clothing.
Okay.
Look at the clothing.
And this is the purchase.
Is it cute? Would you wear it?
Yeah, I think Jalen would really like this gift. What?
Mickey Mouse, $14.90. Comment down below if you would rock this. Everything is extra small.
We could have went to the Disneyland town store.
That's not a
Disney store. Disney store.
Disneyland town store?
Disney store. Sorry.
Just finished. Just got secured the bag at Uniqlo. I got a cute little t-shirt. It's so cute. It's so cool. Obviously, we find Nick in his natural habitat. The sales section.
Can't find anything, even in sales section.
Gucci flip-flops.
Those are literally.
Fuck you, bitch, and you suck.
Those are literally
Gucci flip-flops. Like these. Oh, Gucci flip-flops. Dude. The only wait, so okay. $5.40 for those. If anybody was wondering, this is what it looks like. Very beautiful. Very beautiful.
Like me.
Like, oh my god. That looks like a Marvel movie or something. I don't know. Looks like a little portal.
It's so cute.
Oh, Nick. Flexer. One time for the ladies in the back. Hey. Currently on the hunt for my sister's birthday present.
We have a blind person guiding us right now.
Kevin took us in the complete opposite direction.
We just did a city tour within the past 3 hours looking for an anime shop that probably does not exist.
After being directed for like 5 years, we finally made it to I don't even know where we are.
I fucking hate my life right now.
I just want to know your name.
Killing it.
Can I just get one of these for my room? Nick's hecka cranky right now. Nick's hecka cranky.
I want my
because he didn't get chat time. Because he get
chat time.
where is it? Where are you? Oh, because he didn't get chat time. He's hella cranky. But
Chat time.
we're gonna go get that. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be worth it.
Bubble Talk. New series, Bubble Talk.
Bubble Talks, new series, just a new podcast maybe. New podcast. Finally made it to chat time bubble tea. It's gonna be great. You didn't get bubbles. You just got mangoes. Kevin's still playing this game. He's actually addicted. And got my gift from my sister. Got my clothes from Uniqlo. Got my
I
drinks.
had enough of babysitting these two.
Legs are dusted. I still have to go to my uncle's place to get my stuff. Oh my god. Yeah, it's gonna be a long night tonight. Long night of driving and editing. Small problem. Small problem. Oh, Jesus.
What's up, guys?
gee,
It's your
oh
boy
my-
Abarnath
oh my
D. Small problem over here. Justin forgot his shit.
I didn't forget my shit.
So
This is
we
the
made it
original.
halfway to Ottawa, and now we're driving back to pick his shit up.
The original plan was Abarnath picks us up, and then we go to my uncle's place, and then we move to Ottawa, or go back to Ottawa. Well, we're moving to Ottawa. We're moving, Kevin. And Abarnath just cut out the middleman, and we just went straight to Ottawa. Oh, we're on our way back to Ottawa, Ontario, on our way home from Toronto. I have no time this week to edit anything, so I'm just gonna get a quick edit done in the car so I can edit. Probably gonna be a late upload though, so sorry. Apologies. It's Nick's fault, but.
Hey guys, it's your boy Abarnath D.
Why did this?
We put out
Leave a like if Nick is ugly as shit. Most liked video on YouTube.
since I'm gonna edit that, I'm gonna put that one in.
Alright.
Anyways, hope you guys actually enjoyed the vlogs.
Looking like a thumb.
That
Oh,
Looking like a
Melo's
thumb.
fucking pissed.